I don't really want to, but I don't feel like I've got much choice.
Good morning, YouTube.
I don't know what's up with him, but I know what's up with this, and it needs
Bottom arms, drop links.
because it's knocking.
Knocking its off, kid.
You're not allowed to swear in the first 10 seconds.
Knocking its off, kid.
Yeah, that's it.
Nothing but the best products for this Suzuki. Suzuki.
Some Starline.
Some Starline.
Starline drop links and some APK. Is it APK? APH. Bottom arms.
APH Automotive.
So, we're going to get the car up, get the wheels off, and change them.
And we're going to have a look for a puncher.
I recognise you from somewhere. Oh yeah, it's two techs on the YouTube.
I was going to say, follow YouTube.
Because we're the YouTube phenomenon. Ow, it's my fucking finger.
I didn't do it.
So, drop links.
Drop links. Do arms first.
No arms first.
Arms first. Arms Corleone now.
Armageddon. Right, so now we've got it jacked up. You can see we're changing this whole arm here and the drop links. And as Jay says, quite rusty.
A little bit.
It's also having an oil change while it's here. Oh, you got your head in it, Jay.
Yeah, I'm good in the bar.
Oh, it's had new distant pads recently.
Is it?
I mean, in the last like 4 years.
Alright though.
Oil filter's just here, nice and easy to get to.
Use my favourite brush in the workshop.
The weir brush.
More hairs on the bottom of my balls than on there.
Oh, what size is everything is?
You do or you don't?
I don't. Both the big inner ones are 17s. Probably use a 6 point though, because, 6 point, because 12 point, shear it off. Round it off.
Yeah, fucker, that drop link's knackered.
Yeah. Oh no, that's where it fell over.
That's it, yeah.
Bar's a bit big. Gonna get to
What?
Gonna get my ratchet. Baby. Oh.
How weird.
We're both bars at the same time. It's like our bums are connected. Look at our mate. Oh. That one.
What?
Oh fuck me, this drop link's fucked no.
Chuck me the bar.
Oh, ski the ratchet. As you can see, joining my side, this bottom pinch bolt is a bit seized. So, put a bit of WD on it, now I'm working it to try and get it out. There's a mugger duggers.
This bottom arm bolt don't want to come out.
That's it. And now, when it's spinning, come up to the side and tap it. And you can get it out. So now I've got the back bolt out, this bolt's out, and the pinch bolt's out. It should pull out. How's JJ getting on?
Go on. This one's effing tight.
Is it?
Yeah.
Got the front?
Yeah.
What's your plan of attack with it, Jay?
Yam it. I need you to come and pull this.
What?
Come and push that so I can get on it properly.
Now you get the jugger dugger on it.
Come back to that one. Before you wonder why I'm using a deep, it's because we don't have a 6 point. Sure. What are you leaking there?
Gearbox.
Brilliant. What you on with?
I've got to get it out the ball joint, but I was going to swing it out, drop it down and whack it down, but I'm getting a bit of gearbox all fall out.
Well, that's not good, no.
No, I don't want to top it up, because I don't like the topping bungles of it. I meant to say, I don't know where you top it up from, where the bung is.
I had no idea either.
It'll be on here somewhere.
What?
It'll be on here somewhere.
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, that might be the film there. I've got a gearbox already.
Look at the sealer. This is the sealer that we used to paint. We put a concrete sealer on the floor, and then you paint over it. I wonder if it's wet paint under there.
The more you fuck about, the more you find out. Yep.
Oh. Turns out that's all wet as well.
What, is it all over your hand?
Yeah.
Oh, dick.
Camera's on you.
Oh.
What are you looking for?
Yeah, but so.
What's the plan then? Drain gearbox?
I'm not going to drain it. I'm going to have to drain a little bit to get this arm out. Don't really want to, but I don't feel like I've got much choice. Oh. They're one of them twisted ones, look. Twisted bush. And they're pigs to get in. Absolute pigs, because obviously it's that bit's flat and the bush is the arms down like that. So it's you've got to get the angle right, and it's right pain in bottom to do. But we won't swear. Might just mean two of us have to get on it, Jay. Keep the front in. My plan is to smack that with a hammer and it should fall out. Ball joint, arm, out.
Arm.
Now getting the new one in. Isn't it?
Yep.
Ooh.
It is.
Stiff.
Hopefully it's easy.
That's the one you got to worry about. I think get that in. Oh. Push it round. Get the front in. Push it down.
You can pop it out of the gearbox for a little bit anyway.
Yeah, leak straight away.
Oh.
So obviously the less we can leak, the better. If you don't lose light, you don't worry about topping it up then, do you? You get jack under there.
Yeah.
You farted, didn't you? You stinky, grufty, horrible person. Whew. That is rancid, Jay. It's tight.
You got a new sump plug?
No. Or it's just the same one. Put a new sump on it though, don't I?
I can tell.
Put a new sumperoonie on it. Right, to your side then. Let's conquer.
We're going to repeat the process on the other side. Repeat. We're going to repeat the process on the other side. You don't need to see it because you've seen this one, isn't it? And just like that, it's done.
We wish. Right, so I've got my bottom arm on, all bolted back up, but we've got to change these drop links. We've got a load of play in them, but they're extremely rotten. So we're not taking any chances. We've got the big guns out. Just going to chop them off. Always wear eye protection or squint. Alright, so now we've cut it off. I've put a bit of paint on the bottom there because obviously you got bare metal, stop it corroding. And now we can bolt on our new Starline drop link.
I feel like I should go probably put the other arm on.
Probably.
Inception. Vlogception, as they call it. Get the new arm. Take her around to the other side and get bolted up.
Oh.
Get her done.
Get it done.
Pretty good.
Jay's got that side built up. I've got my drop link on this side now. So I just got to cut his drop link off.
You can cut mine off. I've done enough disc cutting today.
He's done enough disc cutting today at work.
I've done so much.
And then...
There you go, Abby. That's one of your bushes, look.
Yeah. Knackered. And then we've got to put the wheels on, torque them up. I've changed the oil while we're there, but obviously that's quite self-explanatory. You don't need to see that.
Then I'm going to have a go at polishing the headlights.
And then Jay's going to have a go at polishing the headlights as well, with Solution 61. And, something else we've fitted, because we've always freezing, we've fitted a little heater in the workshop there. So, there's going to be a link for that in the description. And the JJ.
Yeah, man.
Right, so I've cut the drop link off and bolted the new one on. Obviously got the new arms on, so we're going to whack wheels on. Oh, that's me. Oh, that's me. Now he's been cleaning up the engine bay and it looks like brand fire new with a bit of the old engine oil.
Considering I haven't really done much this video, I thought I might as well put the wheels back on. Everything's all clean. We put stuff away, haven't we?
Everything's tidied away, clean.
Wheel bolts and knobs.
Obviously this video has also been a little bit different. It's been just a short how-to.
Quick, short video, isn't it?
But
at least you've actually watched us do something.
Yeah, we're fixing the car, which is what the channel's about, and we don't see the point in getting a project car when we've got 101 other jobs to do on other cars, because you just create more work, and we don't want a project car to like be like all the other project cars and be left.
We also don't have the money.
And the money.
We'll go Aaron Reeves, get the thingies done, get the rod bearings done, get the engine mounts done. By the way, if you're not caught up, I'm looking at selling my car, the one that you've seen on the channel. If you want it, message me, or message 2Tech channel, or message my private Instagram, JM Clayton. I'm selling mine because I want to buy an M3. To be quite honest, I could do with keeping mine as daily. I want the M3 now is the problem.
And money's not on our side.
I'm one of them people though who's very what's the word, right, in terms of buying things or doing things.
Very in the moment.
Yeah, very in the moment. If
you want it now. No, you want it yesterday.
Yeah, that's me, unfortunately. We'll torque the wheels up. I'm gonna say sayonara.
A few moments later.
I hate disc cutters.
Yep, drop it down, tilt the wheels up, and then it's another job done, isn't it?
Ding! I want to add a noise to that, so I'm going to do it again. Now you got to do loads.
No, I'm just going to have you looking like a spaz for 5 minutes. Bring them over. Yeah. Woo!
Right, you need this.
What?
The jack, I was just stood on it filming.
Right. Well, it's a good job, isn't
Right.
it?
Am I the boy or am I not the boy? Okay. My guess is... Oh.
Oh.
Not the boy. Definitely not the boy.
I'm not surprised.
Hold.
I'm holding.
Hold the camera.
I'm holding the camera.
Look at that clean engine bay.
No, just got to check the engine oil level
How do you do that, right?
with the J. Look at that. Perfecto. With the J stick.
And how is it that you figured out how much oil takes this?
I used comeroil.com because comeroil.com tells you everything about your car.
Comeroil.com. Another one bites the dust.
Done.
I wasn't finished. Another one bites the dust. The Suzuki is out of here. That's both blower arms, anti-roll bar links, drop links, whatever you want to call them, and the oil service done. We topped the gearbox oil back up as well. What else? Again, thanks for watching.
That was it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.
You never get
share
that
it.
right. Subscribe.
I'm from Lincolnshire. I'm tired. It's a full day's work.
Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe, please, and you'll hear me say subscribe a bit more.
Please do subscribe.
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 From Yorkshire.
That's the end.